G'day, g'day. Welcome back to Backyard Shenanigans. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing this headlamp. And the reason why is that my coffee machine's playing up. And you all know we all love coffee, right? Well, if you don't, you're not human. Nah. What we've got here is I've got a Breville coffee machine. I'll link the model number. If this video goes through, it means I found the fault, but this here might be the bit here. I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so here's the coffee machine. We'll have a look together while we're at it. It is a Breville model BES250. Yeah, so we got as you see, I've been playing with it for a while. And you see this here bit here. That's where the liquid comes through that pump there. Come out a bit. Goes up through this little heating unit. I'm expecting it must be a coil. And then it comes out down in there. There. See how it's all corroded around that? That's the outlet to that hose there at the end of my finger. And I'm pretty sure that, I'll grab it with the tweezers, these little diggers that I've got here are supposed to be inserted in there. I'm not sure. This could be me just talking fluff, but also the inside of the unit when I opened it up had lots of condensation inside, like as if some sort of liquid or something's coming out inside the house here. I don't know. I want a coffee. I want this fixed. So I thought, why not go for a bit of exploratory dig? Hopefully I can put it all back together. And I've taken this little digger off. So far we got to that bit there. I've just been undoing these hoses and blowing through them. To get this little fella out, you pull out this little circlippy thing here. It goes in there. And anyway, I've just been blowing through these pipes. It sounds blocked. Something's going on with it, with the flow rate. I've been a bit lax and haven't run any descaler style stuff through here for a while. This is the bowl. The first point of call was this little disc, this little perforated disc that the coffee comes through, that the liquid comes through to, you know, create the beautiful liquid that we love the most. But that all got cleaned up, plugged it all back together. Same result. So it just sounds like something's blocked inside here. So I'm trying to find it instead of sending it off to get repaired. I'll keep having a look and see what. I'm pretty sure I'm going to undo another hose and see if that. We got some up here in this plate. I've tried these two. As you can see, they're sort of semi-loose, hey. But look, that's pretty much mounted inside. So I hope. See how it's pretty much solid in there. I've yet to well, that one don't look too good neither. We'll have a little look if we can zoom in on that. You see this one on the right here? That looks like it might need a bit of unplugging. So we'll have a look at that too. Alright, we've blown a bit of air through them, so the air's flowing through. I've also pushed that little pipe back in the pipe, that little stainless steel cone. Alright, we need to put it, there we go. That's the little washer. I was just freaking out because I lost the little washer that goes in that little hole there, over here, where the end of my thumb is, me pointer. This fella here. So anyway, I'm going to put it back together, cross my fingers, you guys do that too, and we'll see if that fixes it. This is a bit of a helper, hopefully, for anyone that might be having difficulty pouring that coffee in the afternoon. Hopefully, fingers crossed, eh? Right, we push that pipe inside that other pipe now. I'm going to install it back in its place. I thought I'd add this little bit in because I thought it sounded pertinent. But look at this one here. It's hanging out too, so I don't know. I don't know if I had to push it all the way back in. Time will tell, hey? Turn him on. Okay, she's on. I haven't Ah, that's sounding bloody good. That's sounding bloody good. That's a lot better flow than I had before. Bloody legendary. There you go. There must have been a... I don't know. There was water. There was like condensate in here. I shouldn't be putting my fingers in. But that looks like a winner. Let me just we'll put this little disc in. Because I really want to... See there? There's some steam again. There it is there. See it coming out of that little spot just in there? Look, I'll show you. Can you hear that? It's right where that screw is there. Let's hit the bloody... That don't look right, bro. It's that fella in there. Alright. We gotta... That's the overflow pipe. It's this bloke here. Alright. I reckon what I've got to do is I've got to take it back apart, push that little cone piece out a bit more, then do it up, because I reckon it's not sealed there. You can see the condensation there and the steam coming out. I reckon this has been like this for a while. It's amazing that this whole machine didn't crap itself. Alright, so I took that little stainless steel tube out a little bit further. It wasn't looking too bad, because I think how it's supposed to be done up is it pushes that in till it's at the right depth from the washer. Alright, this is take number 2. I just turned the machine on. I'll try to keep my hand as steady as I can. I'll go around and we'll run some water through it. Ah, I saw that drop. That is pain in the arse. Don't know if I can do any better than that. It's fixed it. It's just leaking, that's all. I wonder if that's been leaking for a while. It all run down inside it, I guess. Try one more thing. It looks as if, it looks as if water has been, or liquid has been flowing down that there little groove from underneath that washer for a while. I reckon this has been happening since I got it. So what I'm going to do, see this one here? I'm going to undo this one, take the washer from this one. I'm going to put it on that one. I'm going to put that one over here and see if that might stop the leak here. If so, it means I need a new washer if this one starts leaking. We're starting to clutch at straws here, but we'll try this, eh? And then once that's done, well, I might have to order some washers from online. Alright, take 3. Turn the machine on. Okay. We will zoom in on the offending section, being this pipe here. Come on, mate. No, you don't want to zoom in now. Oh. Just to film, make sure we got good flow. Yeah, man. Happy days. Alright, happy days. Well, that's worked out well. There you go. I can fix a coffee machine. Add that to the resume, eh? Anyway, hopefully that's helped someone. That's what it's all about, I reckon. Sharing information. If I can do it, I reckon you can do it, eh? Because it's just a matter of having a bit of confidence, knowing that, well, I've still got to put it back together, right? Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers. We'll catch you next time. And go and get a good cup of coffee in you, hey? Cheers.